AMP value equivalent to $0.0022 a coin. The present reach, $0.0022. $0.0023. The earlier day close, $0.0023. The change was 0.0001, 4.35%. Backwards rate, United States dollars to AMP. AMP value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027 AMP to United States dollars forecasts for August 2023. First and foremost cost at $0.0023. Greatest cost $0.0028. Least cost $0.0018. The normal for the month $0.0024. AMP cost conjecture toward the month's end $0.0026. Change for August 13.0%. AMP cost expectation for September 2023. Before all else cost at $0.0026. Most extreme cost $0.0028. Least cost $0.0020. The normal for the month $0.0024. AMP cost figure toward the month's end $0.0022. Change for September 15.4%. AMP to United States dollars expectations for October 2023. Initially cost at $0.0022. Most extreme cost $0.0022. Least cost $0.0017. The normal for the month $0.0020. AMP cost estimate toward the month's end $0.0018. Change for October 18.2%. AMP cost expectation for November 2023. To start with cost at $0.0018. Greatest cost $0.0018. Least cost $0.0016. The normal for the month $0.0017. AMP cost gauge toward the month's end $0.0017. Change for November 5.6%. AMP to United States dollars expectations for December 2023. First and foremost cost at $0.0017. Greatest cost $0.0017. Least cost $0.0013. The normal for the month $0.0015. AMP cost figure toward the month's end $0.0014. Change for December 17.6%. AMP cost expectation for January 2024. Before all else cost at $0.0014. Most extreme cost $0.0017. Least cost $0.0014. The normal for the month $0.0015. AMP cost conjecture toward the month's end $0.0016. Change for January 14.3%. AMP to United States dollars expectations for February 2024. At the outset cost at $0.0016. Greatest cost $0.0020. Least cost $0.0016. The normal for the month $0.0018. AMP cost figure toward the month's end $0.0019. Change for February 18.8%. AMP cost expectation for WAC 2024. Initially cost at $0.0019. Most extreme cost $0.0019. Least cost $0.0016. The normal for the month $0.0018. AMP cost gauge toward the month's end $0.0017. Change for spring 10.5%. AMP to United States dollars expectations for April 2024. To start with cost at $0.0017. Greatest cost $0.0017. Least cost $0.0013. The normal for the month $0.0015. AMP cost estimate toward the month's end $0.0014. Change for April 17.6%. AMP cost expectation for May 2024. Before all else cost at $0.0014. Most extreme cost $0.0015. Least cost $0.0013. The normal for the month $0.0014. AMP cost gauge toward the month's end $0.0014. Change for May 0.0%. AMP to United States dollars expectations for June 2024. To start with cost at $0.0014. Greatest cost $0.0014. Least cost $0.0011. The normal for the month $0.0013. AMP cost gauge toward the month's end $0.0012. Change for June 14.3%. AMP cost expectation for July 2024. In the first place cost at $0.0012. Greatest cost $0.0012. Least cost $0.0009. The normal for the month $0.0011. AMP cost estimate toward the month's end $0.0010. Change for July 16.7%. United States dollars to AMP conversion scale equivalent to 446.43 amps per $1. The present reach, 432.90 to 446.63. The earlier days nearby, 440.53. Change for now plus 5.90. Plus 1.34%. Dollar to amp figure for August 2023. Initially cost at 434.78 amps. Most extreme cost 555.56. Least 357.14. The normal for the month 433.03. The United States dollars to amp conjecture toward the month's end 384.62. Change for August 11.5%. United States dollars to amp expectations for September 2023. In the first place cost at 384.62 amps. Greatest cost 500.00. Least 357.14. The normal for the month 424.08. The United States dollars to amp estimate toward the month's end 454.55. Change for September 18.2%. Dollar to amp estimate for October 2023. First and foremost cost at 454.55 amps. Greatest cost 588.24. Least 454.55. The normal for the month 513.23. The United States dollars to amp gauge toward the month's end 555.56. Change for October 22.2%. United States dollars to amp expectations for November 2023. At the outset cost at 555.56 amps. Most extreme cost 625.00. Least 555.56. The normal for the month 581.09. The United States dollars to amp estimate toward the month's end 588.24. Change for November 5.9%. Dollar to amp estimate for December 2023. First and foremost cost at 588.24 amps. Greatest cost 769.23. Least 588.24. The normal for the month 665.00. The United States dollars to amp gauge toward the month's end 714.29. Change for December 21.4%. United States dollars to amp expectations for January 2024. In the first place cost at 714.29 amps. Greatest cost 714.29. Least 588.24. The